Well, hello you all. It's day 5 of my video journal, and it's Friday. It's Friday, and I know some of you all getting off from work and you're getting ready to do whatever you do on a Friday, because it's time to live it up. Well, I started living it up this morning with the most greatest person in the world. I went to breakfast with my grandson, Braden. We went to Denny's. They have good food too. They really have changed. And good, affordable meals. I enjoyed his company. I let him talk. We talked about the stocks. We talked about the animes. We talked about developing games and learning how. Then he wanted to show me some things. Also, we talked about what we're going to do in 2026 for the summer. Our plan is to go to San Antonio to Sonora Caverns, where the caverns are underneath the ground. We're going to go to medieval times in Dallas, where we see these beautiful horses. You have to see it to believe it. A beautiful experience, especially for kids. Then we're going to go to SeaWorld in San Antonio, because he said you've never gone to SeaWorld. And we're going to go, and we'll probably put Kalahari in there just for Splash Water Park. And the reason why I like Kalahari, because it's an indoor water park, not outside. So that's our 2026 plan. That's not including what his mom had planned for him. That's just our plans for the summer. It's not including karate, baseball, soccer, swimming. So I'm enjoying the afternoon, riding down Beltway 8, going towards the airport. No, I'm not going to get on a plane. Not this week. Thinking about Trump just signed the stablecoin Genius Bill Act. Now, some of you all who don't know what stablecoins are, I'm going to put it to you like this. Stablecoin bills, the bill he just signed, is like digital assets. The beginning of digital assets. It's like the internet, the beginning of the internet. Oh, do I wish I had invested in the internet. Like I wish I had invested in the Zelle and Cash App. All those things that we do every day. So I'm going to go and study stablecoins, because if I can get in on it, I'm getting in. This is the beginning stages of it. I'm just letting you know about it. You can choose to go in, you can choose not to. Either way, it's all great. Anyway, I'm signing off. Day 5. Going home. And I'm going to try, if I don't fall asleep, to finish the last 2 scenes of my audio book. Talk to you later.